Hey guys, I want to show off my latest project. Got this 4Runner for my daughter. Runs like new, but it had a full vehicle wrap on it that was failing. The plan was to take the wrap off with a heat gun and adhesive remover, but the wrap's been on there for 12 years, baking in the Florida sun, and it wasn't coming off. So plan B was to put a bed liner on. Did a little research and came up with the Rugged Restore Barricade. Decided to use that. It worked great. It's water cleanup. Had to do a little bit of prep to get it on there. The prep consisted of 100 grit sandpaper. Scuffed it down. Used some grease and wax remover to clean up behind it. Then shot it with the Barricade. We think it turned out pretty good. My daughter loves it, so we're happy with it. Can't wait to do the next project. By the way, this is the first time I've ever shot bed liner, and I think it turned out pretty decent.